Have you ever been stuck with insanely long rendering times or struggled with a low-spec PC? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, I found a solution. Yesterday I finished my project, but since I was using a low-spec PC, rendering a single frame took 11 minutes. Now, if I do the math, that would take nearly 45 hours and 50 minutes to complete the entire render. That's way too long. So I came up with two simple ways to fix this, using a free cloud rendering service, optimizing the render settings. Let's break down both methods and see how you can speed up your renders. So, using a cloud rendering service is probably the easiest way to speed things up. It's super fast, but the problem? It can get really expensive, and as independent artists, we don't always have the budget for that. While researching, I found a rendering website that gives new users $25 in free credits. And guess what? I also found a coupon code that adds another $50 to that. So if you've got a long render ahead, this could save you a lot of time without spending a dime. Let me show you how to grab these free credits and start rendering faster. The website I'm referring to is FoxRender, and you'll find the link in the description. To get started, go to the website and register as a new user using your email and a password. Alternatively, you can sign in with Google for a faster setup. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, and just by signing up, you'll receive $25 in free credits. To get an additional $50, go to the Add Coupon section, enter this coupon code. You now have a total of $75 in free rendering credits. Now let's go over how to submit your files and start rendering. If you want to render using GPU, switch the server type to GPU mode by clicking the option at the top left of the dashboard. To upload your project files, go to the Asset menu on the left side and click Upload. A pop-up will appear asking you to install or launch the client software. Click Download to install it. Once installed, launch the client manually and select your Blender file for upload. You'll now see the Upload progress in the Software tab. After the upload is complete, go to the Submit menu, set the project path, select your Blender file, and click Configure Software. Once the setup is complete, follow the website's steps to finalize the process. Before jumping into the full render, the system will analyze your file and prepare it for rendering. You can now take 3 sample frames to ensure everything looks good. If all is set, continue with full speed rendering.